Hello there, and welcome to my closet, as you can tell. Today, I'm going to be doing a skirt haul. Today's video is brought to you by Rosé wine, because Rosé wine inspires you. And also, unicorns, because what is life without unicorns? Come on. If you guys like this, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos of moi. Thanks, guys. Skirt haul. Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. My name is Chelsea Ledsinger here. I just moved into my brand new apartment and I wanted to show you guys all the skirts that I have. I just finished putting away all my clothes, finally. You should have saw how many bags I had. I had two bags of clothes to put into my closet. I just wanted to show you guys what skirts I had because it is almost that time of year where we can finally wear skirts. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Oh, no more winter. So, yeah, let's begin. So the first skirt I'm going to show you is going to be this lovely one. I love this skirt. I got this skirt from somewhere in Georgia, somewhere in East Cobb. It's kind of like a store, like, you know that jewelry store where it has different colors, and I can't think of it right now. I don't know. But I got it from there for sale. I think I got this for like $12. I love this because it accentuates your waist right here. And I just love the poofiness. All my skirts mainly have this poofiness. But this one I can actually wear to work. It goes about to your knees. My second one is black and white as well. I got this one actually from Plato's Closet. This one is really nice. I like the fact that it poofs out just a little bit, and I actually saw this later that year that I got this. I saw it at Forever 21 and Charlotte Russe, which is really cool. I think it was 2 years ago that I got it. So I love this skirt. My sister really wants to burn this skirt because I wear it too much. I love this one. This is brand new. I have not had a chance to wear it yet. I got it from H&M, and I love this zipper thing right here. It's nice quality for how much I got it for. I got it for like 10 bucks. This is actually a size 6. I wanted to get a size 8 just to get a little like movement room, so whenever I sit down, I won't look like a stuffed sausage. I know this is not a skirt, but I love these shorts. I cannot wait to wear them. Ugh. I love this freaking skirt and I have not had a chance to wear it yet. Guys, don't judge me. I haven't worn a lot of these skirts and they have the tag on them. I just love clothes, guys. I'm so sorry. My boyfriend's like, get rid of all these skirts. You don't need them. But I can't part ways. I was going to like hem it, the inside to be shorter, because it's cuter short. And I just feel like Cinderella in this skirt. I got this from Ross, obviously. Ooh, I could wear it as a tube top. I got this from Forever 21. It was buy one get one free with another one that I got. Actually, at first I did not like this one because of the retro type look. I know that retro type look is in. I did not like it, but I tried it on and it looked so cute. It can be cute with like a cute pair of heels, with a cute shirt. I'm gonna have to show you guys how I style it, but I love it. It's really stretchy material, which is great for when you have to sit down, you know? I got this one from Forever 21. Let me get that correct. This one was the buy one get one free with the orange one. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I have got to have it because it's green and I don't have a green skirt, and it's that corduroy, and it's fitted and it's stretchy. They're both really stretchy, and it's got like a nice zipper. It's in. It's what everyone's wearing. Don't you want to be like everyone else? Get it. It's cute. I'm not even looking at the camera. Ah, this one. I saw a girl on Pinterest have it, and I was like, I have the exact same skirt. I got this a long time ago, probably in 2015, and it's 2019. This one I wore to Easter one year, and I haven't worn it again, but it's really cute. It's like a staple piece that you need to keep it. Oh, I forgot, it ripped even higher. Pull yourself together. Well, maybe it could be sexy time. If I don't wear it this year, I'll probably give it away. I love this skirt. Nina's trying to get rid of this. Sorry, Nina. I'm not getting rid of it. Reminds me of Barbie. And I don't know, I wish it was like more fluffy, because this material is so thick and so sturdy that it has not ripped, it has not peeled. I love this material. No, I got this from TJ Maxx. Deals. Guys. I love this skirt. I literally feel like Michael Jackson in like Thriller or something. Oh, peekaboo. That's funny. So funny. I got this from Forever 21. Let me take this off. It's suede. It's really cute. Like I said, I have a lot of skirts. I got this from H&M. As you can tell, I love me some H&M, and I love me some Forever 21, you know? I got this from H&M when I went to Chicago a while back. So cute. It's got a zipper in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little hidden. And it's fitted, so it's not that much give in the waist. Last but not least, I got this actually from my old job. I got this from Dress Barn. Yes, Dress Barn. Normally when you go through, Dress Barn. Normally when you go through there, it's like work clothes, old lady clothes. I didn't buy a lot of clothes there, but this, hands down, one of their best signature skirts. Like, this goes all the way to the floor. It's so long. I wear this too much. If you follow me on Instagram, I wear it way too damn much. I'm sorry. But it's so cute. It's too cute not to wear. Too cute. Well, that's all the skirts I have. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope that you liked it so much so that I can do more hauls for you guys. Catch you on the flip side. Oh, this one's good.